Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you all some basic keyboard shortcuts that once you get used to will make life much easier and increase your efficiency on your PC. The first shortcut is creating a new tab with Ctrl T. To do any keyboard shortcut, you want to hold down the control button and the associated number or letter bind. You can do that or click both the buttons at the same time. In this case, I would click Ctrl T and there'd be a new tab. Now that we have our extra tab, let's say we want to close it. This is closing a tab, Ctrl W. So let's say I went over here and I closed this tab, but I either want to reopen it or I did it on accident. I can hit Ctrl Shift T and reopen or recover the tab that I had accidentally closed. Now let's cover some tab movement. If you hit Ctrl Tab and keep holding down Ctrl while clicking Tab, you'll cycle through your existing and opened tabs from left to right. You can also go the opposite way if you hit Ctrl Shift Tab and you hold Ctrl and Shift and keep clicking Tab. You'll just cycle through the opposite direction. Let's say I want to make a new window. To create a new window, you can hit Ctrl N. If you want to switch between your existing windows, hit Alt and Tab. If you want to open a link in a new tab as to not override any work you have in your current tab, you can hold Ctrl and click the link to open it in a new tab. As you can see, Google Classroom opened in a new tab, not overriding this new tab. If you want to find a specific word in a large piece of text, go to the piece of text, hit Ctrl F, and look for the word that you want to find. I'll do gold as an example. Right here, we can see that in this little search box, there's 8 instances of gold being mentioned in this book, and I can cycle through each instance to see where it is. If you want to copy and paste text onto another document, highlight the text you want to copy, hit Ctrl C, switch over to the document tab you want to paste the text in, and hit Ctrl V. If you want to paste it in the formatting of the doc, let's say I want to paste this in Times New Roman, hit Ctrl Shift V. As you can see, the text is different in accordance to me switching the font. If you want to undo or redo an action, you want to hit Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y respectively. In this case, if I accidentally delete an image, I can hit Ctrl Z, undo, and undo my action. If I want to redo it, I'll hit Ctrl Y and it'll redo the action, in this case the delete. If you want to embed a link in some text, or rather hyperlink it, go to the link, copy it, highlight the text you want to embed the link in, and hit Ctrl K. Paste the link and click Apply. From there, if you click on that text, the option to go to the embedded link will pop up. An alternative to this is just copying the link, pasting it, highlighting the link's text, and hitting Ctrl K, and have the link display in its raw version. Some extra tips you might not have known before include going to Insert on Google Docs and being able to insert a horizontal line to separate pieces of text, typing in docs.new in the tab bar to create a new doc, and you can do this with slides.new, Google Slides, sheets.new, Google Sheets, and drawing.new for Google Drawings. Thank you all for watching. I hope some of you learned something new, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.